Reba's reading treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title? Reba and Kyrie's fun with Rockin Robin. Hello, friends! Kyrie and I are ready for a day of amazing fun. Of course, Kyrie and I want to begin our day with a wonderful breakfast. We love pancakes, so pancakes are for breakfast. We also love fruit. These apples look delicious, and we will eat them. Now it's time to have fun. You remember Cousin Alyssa, correct? Hello, Cousin Alyssa. Cousin Alyssa loves spending time with me and Kyrie. Kyrie and I love spending time with Alyssa. Here come Bella and Danny. These are our friends too. Hello, Bella and Danny. Bella loves to dress up and pretend she is a princess. Danny loves to skateboard. Danny and Bella are invited to join me, Alyssa, and Kyrie for a day of fun. Here comes our new friend, Robin. Well, hello, Robin. Robin lives in our neighborhood and loves to play just as we love to play. Robin uses a wheelchair for his mobility. He performs the coolest stunts in his wheelchair too. During time at home, Robin loves to play and work on his computer. Robin also plays video games on his computer. Robin is ready to join me and the crew for some cool and awesome fun. Here at the playground, we are playing with our kickballs. Robin is winning the kickball game. The crew and I are here at the park listening to music and enjoying lunch. Today's lunch menu is sandwiches, potato chips, and juice. It's a glorious day to visit the museum. This time, Alyssa is not running around. She is staying close to me and Kyrie. Bella, Danny, and Robin are enjoying the exhibit. Robin is a bit sad. The museum does not have the ramps he needs to access certain exhibits. There are no worries, Robin. I am explaining this issue to the museum owner and politely requesting that wheelchair ramps be installed. Everyone should be able to enjoy the wonderful museum. Wheelchair ramps are very important. I told Robin about my conversation with the museum owner. The museum owner vowed to install ramps. During our next visit, wheelchair ramps will be installed. Our fun day is just about ending. Danny, Bella, Alyssa, Kyrie, and I are joining the community for an awesome outdoor movie night. What an amazing day! We hope that you loved meeting our new friend Robin. Isn't he the coolest? He is so cool that we call him Rockin Robin. Cheers to new friends who are able, capable, loving, polite, kind, and ready to have fun. See you soon, friends!